Mikey, the Becker Dream Team. We are in Winter Haven, Florida, checking out this KB home behind me. This is the 1989 model. Easy to know the square footage. It's the same name as the model. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath home with 2-car garage and the option to make one of the bedrooms into a den. Let's go check it out. When entering the home on your first left, let's go check out the 2 first bedrooms along with the shared bathroom. And this is the front of the house. This is the front bedroom with a deep closet and a single window for natural light. And this is the shared bathroom, and as you can see how they have it laid out with the single sink and actually a little cutout for like a makeup station or with towels, but you had the option to make it a 2-person sink as well. You have the shower tub combo, and this is the second bedroom on the left-hand side of the house. You have a side-facing window, and it's very comparable in size to the front room. And coming across the hall here, I will show you what is on this side of the house. When coming down on what would be your left would be the laundry room. On your right would be a 2-car garage, AC handler behind here. And this is the 4th bedroom, which could be converted into a den, whichever fits your needs. And walking from the front of the house, you're in the middle of the house now, where we have the gathering room, dining room, and the kitchen. And this is the kitchen with stainless steel appliances. And actually something I liked about this kitchen, it actually has a cutout for the fridge so it doesn't protrude out and take too much space. I love the polygon shape with the walls here. It goes very well with the backsplash. And let's go check out the gathering room and the dining room. And I love this gathering room with the partially vaulted ceiling, speakers throughout, with a lot of natural light from the double hung windows with back sliding doors. And this is the dining room, easy access to the outside. And when it's November, like the time of this video, you can leave the doors open if you have it screened in. You can let all the fresh air in, don't have to waste any money on an AC bill. Let's go check out the lanai. And this is the covered lanai. You had the option to put in screens, and I don't know if you knew this, Florida used to be a swamp, and it kind of still is. I would put up screens to keep out bugs, and I love this lanai because it has the wiring already here. It has a recessed lighting, but I'd put a fan because it gets a little hot in the summer. And leaving the lanai, nestled off from the kitchen, you have the primary bedroom. Making your way into the primary bedroom, you have a linen closet right here. Let's go check it out. And this is the primary bedroom. As you can see, it keeps true with the polygon shape with the tray ceilings, speakers throughout on the ceiling, and it has a walk-in closet and the primary bathroom. Let's go check it out. And this is the primary bathroom with dual sinks and actually has the same cabinets as the kitchen, so it keeps true with the theme. We hope you enjoy the tour of the 1989 model here in Winter Haven. It will be built in other communities all throughout Central Florida. If you're thinking about calling Central Florida home, reach out to our team. We look forward to being your trusted real estate advisors.